Chartreuse? No, you might make me jealous.
No way! You're not sewing buttons in my eyes!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I want to be with my real mom and dad. I want you to let me go.
Is that any way to talk to your mother?
You aren't my mother.
Apologize at once, Coraline.
No!
I'll give you to the count of 3. 1, 2, 3!
Darling, why would you run away from me?
Perhaps they will both of you and run away to France.
Have a seat, won't you? Hold on. We aren't finished yet.
No, I suppose not. After all, you still need to find your old parents. Well, produce them.
They're behind that door.
Oh, they are they?
Go on. Open it. They'll be there, all right.
You're wrong.